My viewers and sub, Bigsuper, they in a Grand Spain. Hi, what's your opinion? Like on a road? And as simple as that? Yeah. So it not really affect you, no? No. A matter of fact, it make your life more peaceful. Yeah. Our Fish House Road, that's what it name. And see the goat them here, people. The goat them still in the road, right at the corner. Heading up Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, heading in the direction, heading towards the community of Grand Spain. So stick and stay and follow me as Bigsuper head to the community of Grand Spain. Yeah, my viewers, see there, but up on the new highway. Yeah, see there, see the road them there. See it there. Yeah, we are look back down. We are look back down the highway, people. You see it? Way up, overlooking the community. See the road that people are leading a Grand Spain. We overlook the beautiful community of Grand Spain. Overlooking the beautiful community of Grand Spain. Nice fishing village community. See the people right below Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Welcome to Grand Spain. A long time I don't come on Grand Spain. I left for Grand Spain. We got the people them on Grand Spain. I hope we can find a resident on Grand Spain. right over the boat and not just one. Right over the boat and one is the boat. Right over the boat and not just one. Two packs of the boat. I hear them there on us. Viewers and sub, Bigsuper is in Grand Spen in St. Thomas. Just after you come off Albion Heights. A long time you not come in a Grand Spen, you know. Yeah, long time Bigsuper not come in a Grand Spen. And we just take a look on the roadway and the road condition in a Grand Spen and thing. Yeah, because the highway are built over the mountain and it take time and I go around Grand Spen, so stick and stay. Viewers and sub, Bigsuper, then at the middle of Grand Spen Road. It's a long time we not come around here, and as you can see, the community quiet because through no traffic, no choppers through it like one time. It's quiet, but we just again an update, make you can see. Say the place, the community secure, and you know at the time of day, the residents can't work. And all these things, and Bigsuper, the in the middle road, a Grand Spen, peace and quiet and tranquility in the community, a Grand Spen. So those of you guys who wondering, what really that take place? Hi mommy, blessings here. Yeah man, it's a blogger, Bigsuper, the YouTube blogger Bigsuper, you know. Just a walk through and look on the road. Yeah man. So people stay over the yard and take a prep and look and thing and see Bigsuper on the main road and hail me, you know. Because a lot of people subscribe to my channel, my viewers and sub. And you know as usual you have a whole heap of goat around a Grand Spen. So all those who drive through Grand Spen, I know so them have a whole heap of goat around here. Yeah. And that's what they think them on. So I hope you enjoy the look of flex that we make in the community of Grand Spen. We just make them know that the community of Grand Spen safe. Live and sound and kicking. My viewers and sub, Bigsuper, they in a Grand Spen. Hi mommy, everything alright? Oh, everything now like all the road dive passing and all them way there. What your opinion? Like on the road? And as simple as that? Yeah. So it not really affect you know? No. A matter of fact, it make your life more peaceful. Yeah. Alright. So my viewers and sub, see we just talk to a lady in a Grand Spen. You know enough people say Bigsuper don't go in a Grand Spen, you know. When I come in at the amount of subscribers I have in a Grand Spen. But I have to stop and big up them goat here. Because all who come around the corner here, I remember them goat here. I go remember Grand Spen. Grand Spen quiet and peaceful. And a whole heap of vehicle now pass through here. And I go right on the sign here. Fresh Fish House Road, that's what it name. I hope I pronounce it right. And see the goat them here people. The goat them still in the road. Right at the corner. So my viewers and sub, Bigsuper inside the community at Grand Spen St. Thomas. Bigsuper is inside the building. And big up Grand Spen people. When the place clean and quiet. No traffic and no man say that's walk out the road so and catch a bus. And go on about your business. So all that are going on, what are going. So we are make the walk and we are do the talk. We in a Grand Spen and we are big up Grand Spen resident them. And we like how to keep the order. We love how to keep on the community. Bigsuper. And remember that shop, we used to stop at that shop when we drive over the hill, you know. See the now people, poor local shop lock up. You understand? And that's how go on. But that's how you go. That's how you go, my viewers and sub. Bigsuper come through the community at Grand Spen. And Grand Spen, we are here to tell you now that Grand Spen is alive and well and kicking. And we love it. So for now, super inside Grand Spen. car come behind me. I look up bridge and I was shot in the time at a deep look room there. I look up bridge and I have. Yeah. You can't see that you have to come out with the camera. Come out to the camera. Come out to the camera. Stop. Yeah, we people, we're heading out of Grand Spain and heading up back on the Southern Coastal Highway. Yeah, my viewers, see there. We're up on the new highway. Yeah. See there, see the road them there. See it there. Yeah, we are look back down. We are look back down the highway, people. You see it? Way up. Overlooking the community. See the road that people are leading a Grand Spain. We overlook the beautiful community of Grand Spain. Overlooking the beautiful community of Grand Spain. Nice fishing village community. See the people right above Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed that little trip I make to Grand Spain. It was a wonderful little trip just to look around and see what the beautiful community of Grand Spain is like.